Welcome to the low mid budget watch report, and today I'm going to unbox the Triwa controversial comb over watch. Well, I can tell you the story or the background to why this watch was made. It was 2019 and Mr. ex-president Donald Trump was a very hot topic even in Sweden, and as an April Fool's joke, Triva made a watch dedicated to his very special hairstyle. The comb over. I myself don't have much hair on top and could use a comb over too, but I haven't saved my hair for a long time, so maybe one day I'll try it. Well, they made the comb over as a April Fool's joke watch. It was successful, I don't know, but they start making the watch. Instead of making an April Fool's joke, they started to produce the watch, and it was a record sale for the small watch company Triwa. Well, now here we are unboxing the now outdated Triwa comb over watch. And they also said that it was going to be a limited edition, which I think it was not, because I bought this watch on stock sales for €50, and it was I saw it, I bought it on the website, and when I clicked it, then it was gone. It was the last watch on Triva's website, but now again they are selling it. So special edition, special edition. I don't know. Limited edition, no. Well, let's unbox the Triwa comb over watch. And this is the box. I like Triwa boxes. They are very nice and simple. And I love the Triwa boxes. And it comes with this as kind of recycled paper stuff, and here's the watch. Nothing more, just a watch and a tag. And let's remove the watch. And this is how the watch looks like. You see Mr. Donald Trump and the special hairstyle that he has. Very nice comb over. And my first disappointment with this watch is that it has no second hand. It has no second pointer. It's only a minute hand and an hour hand. Without a second hand, the second pointer, how will I know if the watch works? Time will tell, I guess. On the back side is the Triva logo. It feels very flat, this watch, and not very heavy but not too light, and the strap feels very hard. I will try it on. As soon as I get this tag off. Well, let's try it on. Wow, the strap is very, very hard. Maybe it's supposed to be that way. Feels okay. And this is how the watch looks on my wrist. If it was just a blank dial, I would love having one of these simple style, simplistic watches. It's kind of cool. I'm not a big fan of Donald Trump, but I'm not a Donald Trump hater. I think Donald Trump didn't start any conflicts or wars around the world, so that's a plus for him as a president of the United States. I don't know much about him, but I know that his father was a very rich man and helped him out with the economy. And that he himself wasn't maybe the greatest businessman, but a well known businessman. And I don't know if this watch is made to laugh with him or laugh at him, but I guess Triwa is more of a left leaning company, so I guess this watch is made to laugh at Donald Trump's crazy haircut. I don't think it's super funny, but maybe if you go to a party with a lot of left leaning people, they will appreciate this watch. And they will say, "Oh, ha ha ha, it's the Donald Trump hair. So funny. Wow, Orange Man bad." Or maybe if you go to a right wing party, they will think it's a tribute to Donald Trump, and they will like, "This is Magaland, yes, yes, MAGA." I don't know what they say, but yeah, I don't think the watch is any big controversy in the town of Stockholm. Well, I don't think this is a limited edition watch. You can still buy this watch at Triwa, and I even saw a copy of this watch on AliExpress. So they are making a Chinese version of this watch, but it's the same price, so it's better to buy it from the original source, Triwa. It's I think it's $45 on AliExpress, and it's $50 at Triwa. And with AliExpress, the watch will take like 2-3 months to your post office, and maybe you won't even get it, and the quality doesn't look the same, and you might get a broken watch or whatever. So if you want to be safe, you can buy this at Triwa. Or if you want to be gamble, you can buy it at AliExpress for $5 less or something. Not even that. I think it was like $49 or something like that. But I would definitely buy this from Triwa, as they are the original source of the idea of a comb over Donald Trump watch. Well, let's do some measurements. Let's check this watch out. From the bottom to the crown, it's 40.5 millimeter, and the bezel is 38 millimeters. From between the lugs, it's 18 millimeters. from lug to lug, it's 43.5 millimeters. The strap is 18 millimeters wide, and it's a very thin watch. It's 8 millimeters thick, so it's very, very thin. And here's how the watch looks up close. And on the back side you can see the Triwa logo and a text that says we should overcomb. Very funny. Well, it's a pretty clean and nice, simplistic watch. And of course it's a quartz movement, and to change the battery, to change the batteries, you have to pop the back case off. And well, I don't like pop off back cases too much, but I guess that's the thing with the Triwa watches. Well, I would give this watch a 6 out of 10. 6.5 out of 10. It's a very special motive on the watch, and it tells a history about the time when everybody was obsessed about this Donald Trump character. And it's maybe a party watch if you go to a leftist party, or if you go to a Magaland type of party. This watch maybe will make a success. Well, that's all.